Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. To know how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page here, you will go to apps, as you see. And when you will see this list, you should to go down to Instagram here, and after that in this list you should to go to force stop and you will click. When you will click here, when you click force stop, you will go to click storage here, and then after that in this page you should to click clear cache, and after that you will click clear data. So then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.